What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Car Garage. I know I haven't been uploading in a long time. I've been busy doing some other stuff beside YouTube, but today I have a big announcement that I'm gonna show you guys the car that I replaced the Audi RS6 with. So we are in this car right now, probably because of the seats. You may notice which car is this, but I'm gonna go a walk around and we're gonna do a cold start on it. So let's do it. So this is the car, guys. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10. Not sure if you can see that really good, but I'm gonna get close to it. And we're gonna do a cold start. So here you go, guys, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10 MR edition. As we go to the inside, we have the twin clutch transmission, and as because of the gauges, and it's not stock. We have the big screen right here. It's recently purchased, as you guys see. Still have the temporary tags. Beautiful Recaro seats on the back as well. No sunroof, obviously. RS6 had that, but this is a lighter car, so it's fun to drive. We're gonna go along on the test drive on it, and I'm gonna try to give you guys that same emotion that I'm gonna feel while I'm gonna be driving it. So we're gonna let it warm up for a little bit, and then we can go for a drive. Then I will show you guys what's under the hood. Alright, so as you guys know that I had the Audi RS6, and I had it for quite a time, probably like almost 2 years. But you guys know those cars are reliable, but you gotta take care of them really good. As the video that I have on YouTube, most of them they're of repairing the car than enjoying it. I don't know So here you have it, guys, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10. It's kind of dirty right now because of the weather, but it looks pretty good. We're gonna do some shooting when the car is gonna be clean. So we have NK wheels with Pirelli tires, 265, 35, 18, and of course the Brembo calipers. We do have some side skirts, front lip, the intercooler, as you guys see. I'm gonna pop up the hood so you guys can look at it. Small scoop right here. Right here, as we have a big touch screen with navigation, Bluetooth pairing. Nice Recaro seats. I think they come only on MR edition. If I'm mistaken, you guys correct me on the comments down below. We do have the twin clutch SST and with driving modes, and as well as paddle shifters. I really love those bucket seats. As we go on the back, we do have some nice seating in the back. As nobody sits right here, it's gonna be like that. Popping up the hood. Tam-ta-da-dam. What do we have right here? We have the Cobb air intake with the piping and the intercooler, as we have the high flow for the turbo, the silicone high flow, and we have the high flow exhaust manifold with downpipe, some heat shield right here, some upgraded radiator hoses, and that's pretty much it. That's the sound, guys. This is how it sounds from here. That's it, guys. So this is the first video of the Evolution. If you really like this video, please smash that thumbs up button for upcoming videos. We're gonna do more videos on this car. We're gonna go clean it up really good, and we're gonna do some runs, some pulls, and maybe we find someone to race with. And please don't forget to share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.